quadratic equation, complex numbers and trigonometry. This question, x square minus 2x cos theta plus 1 equal 0. Then find the value of this one, x power 2n minus 2x power n cos n theta plus 1. How to solve them is, this question is related by the three concepts: quadratic equation, complex numbers and trigonometry. First, if you take given equation, if you take x square minus 2x cos theta plus 1 equal to 0. Find x value. How to find out them is by using the formula method. 2 cos theta plus or minus 4 cos square theta minus 1 by 2. That equal to 2 cos theta plus or minus 2 into I into sin theta. Because 4 if you take common, that meaning is cos square theta minus 1 nothing but a sin square theta. Whole if you take, negative will come 2y sin theta by 2. That equal to 2 if you take common and cancel, cos theta plus or minus I sin theta. For suppose x equal to, if you take cos theta plus I sin theta, then automatically x power n equal to cos theta plus I sin theta whole power n. Whole power n. That equal to, using the complex numbers, cos n theta plus I sin n theta. It is equation 1 if you take. Similarly, if you find x power minus n, whenever n is there, positive will come. Here negative, that means cos of minus n theta plus I into sin minus n theta. It is even function, that's why cos n theta. It is the odd function, that means minus I sin n theta. X power minus n means 1 by x power n, that equal to cos n theta minus I sin n theta. It is equation 2 if you consider. Equation 1 and equation 2 add it. X power n plus 1 by x power n, that equal to plus I sin n theta minus I sin n theta, both will be cancelled. Remaining will be cos n theta plus cos n theta. Nothing but a 2 cos n theta. 2 cos n theta. Take LCM. X power n will be LCM. Take cross multiplication, x power 2n plus 1 equal to 2 cos n theta. Take x power n to other side and send to this side. How to write there will 2 x power 2n minus 2 cos n theta into x power n plus 1 equal to 0. That meaning x power 2n minus 2 x power n cos n theta plus 1 equal to 0. What is our question? X power n minus 2 into x power n cos n theta plus 1 is equal to dash. In this dash, how much answer means 0. This video if you like, please subscribe, comment and share it. Thank you.